first thing you'll need to do is you'll go to the settings down here, look for the little wheel, and you're gonna tap on your Apple ID. If you've already signed into an Apple account, which more than likely you have, you'll need to tap on the little bubble in this corner, and you'll need to swipe up and sign out of your Apple ID in your iCloud. That's the first thing you'll need to do. So once you've entered your password in, you're gonna hit turn off. This will sign you out of your Apple ID and also sign you out of your iCloud. So you'll sign out of both of those. If you never installed an Apple ID, no problem, but I believe Apple makes you create one or sign into one, so more than likely you will have this set up on yours. So the next step is you're still on the general tab. You're now gonna swipe up, go to reset, go to erase all content and settings, and then you'll enter your passcode if you have one on the iPad. If not, it should jump to the next screen, and it will ask you if you want to erase your iPad. Go ahead and hit erase, erase, and then it will basically begin the process of factory resetting your iPad. And this is what you want. You want it to take you all the way back to that first page where it'll ask you to select a language. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.